Imagine waking up to find that your entire to-do list for the day has already been completed. Your emails are drafted, your market research is done, and your social media posts are scheduled. And the best part? You didn't do any of it. No, this isn't about hiring a virtual assistant. This is about hiring an AI agent. In 2026, the world is moving beyond simple chatbots to autonomous systems that don't just talk, they act. We've all used ChatGPT or Claude. They're great for writing an essay or explaining a concept, but they have a major limitation. They need you. You have to prompt them, guide them, and copy-paste their results. They are like high-tech calculators. But an AI agent? An AI agent is a manager. You give it a goal, and it figures out the steps, uses the tools, and delivers the result. So, what exactly is an AI agent? Think of it as a specialized software program driven by a large language model. But unlike a chatbot, it has agency. It can browse the web, access your files, and even interact with other apps. If you tell an AI agent to research the top 10 trends in the UK housing market and write a summary, it doesn't just give you a paragraph. It searches the live web, verifies sources, formats a document, and emails it to you, all while you're grabbing a coffee. The best news? You don't need a Silicon Valley budget to start. Tools like Relevance AI or BotPress allow you to build your own agents with zero coding knowledge. There are even open source frameworks like AutoGPT or Crew AI that let you run powerful multi-agent teams right from your computer. You're not just using a tool, you're building a workforce. In the USA, UK, and Australia, businesses are quietly replacing entire departments with these autonomous workflows. The wealth gap in 2026 isn't just about who has more money. It's about who has more AI leverage. If you're still doing everything manually, you're already falling behind. The future belongs to those who can decode these tools and make them work for them. That's exactly why I started this channel. If you want to dive deeper into these workflows, I've put together a master list of the top 5 AI agent platforms you can start using for free today. You can download the full guide by joining our newsletter, AI Decoded. The link is in the description and pinned comment below. Subscribe to stay ahead of the curve. I'll see you in the next one.